Ache kai nyingi. Pa wokin ni minwara kun ko che na to. Anang diar ka ru wo ko to ka kinin. Pa I wanted to call the list and then we can collapse at one, okay? So bear with me. Pa Mary apa jongaran achukule ka wo ko ga tweet community ko wo ko ga sirif the lon pie ga loy ndia ku lon che ga loy wona ko rani choro la ke achuku mode yar ding ton kon joy atong di ton ma jo to ben chen ben New Jersey achuku leje ya nya kira len acholo bol ala ngedeng yom ma biru ngwe mama yom ma biru ngwe achuku mode ya ku achuku leje lon pie che loy a pinu ma ding acholo chan man bak yara bol ko nyani nyan kai yara jang arun bol ko nyani nyan kai ya agura gunmo beli jok ko nyani nyan kai ya kai ai tui kai ko ni nyi pi ni bin can we please clap for them ko che coordinated da chuku ben nyu jitin ko ni nyi pi ni bin can you please clap for the coordinating group? A cheating di pande. A cheating good. Before can I question kiti? Aya lula mama tongi. Aya John be given be presented. Nama kuna panya.
Uri yan yare jama deng jong ge bolai ma ding dana jama tong ka ujung ge kwa jaro nom na go di yeng mori nyade garang jo adong ndia wolom no pera kur ko ma pera nya ma yara yuba jom to nya ju na ga nga jiwe we ka jir piwe kuda mora ndia bo molo ko to nya jo ma bu do ka ko be me dang ha kun ma din ma au here le ra yum do uri yan yare jama dinda ma dinga na jang adong ko na bo ko charo nom na do di ba la chen ma ga nya te nya ge ni ga ra ni jo adam no na bo le bule yo na ku ba ge ne ko ye
chi ba ne chi we 3 to 5 questions và cái đầu vô cái trận chiến ai question cái ngoan cái cả ba cái thi
question dia ni bagi anak nasional Barakazal okay question dia anak nasional Barakazal mantaga dia Mariam Bay gasot berkira dem ke tabalang lain sebagai bergrip dan jual mile 14 Unja lihat melana kira ni kuan terang ibarar kuat 14 mile 14 mana be wajib kau bija burkai kau di musra jika lihat ni ayi ko bakwanya pat yan dot no ku ye top no ko gambo 14 mal gam be North Sudan and South Sudan mapiap kada ko berai kada
Colonel Philip Aguirre is why is the government hasn't been able to stop the brutality of security forces against the civilians. And I have 3 examples that I have to cite for you. One, in May, a female teacher was shot dead by security forces in Juba because she was traveling in a taxi that failed to stop when the flag was being lowered down. And the car she was traveling in was just shot. That's one question. That's one example. Another one is, in August, a Kenyan pharmacist who was arrested was tortured, on the way to his jail. And when he was tortured, the next day he slept in jail for 1 day, and the next day he died. That's second. Third, in June, same year, a fellow lost boy named Mayol Kuch was arrested in Bor Town because of what he has done, but he spent 1 day in jail, and then the next day he came out and he died. So why do such things happen in South Sudan when we are a free country? And that's the South Sudan we voted for. And that's not the South Sudan we wanted to see when we voted for separation. So why do such things happen? It is a big embarrassment to the government of South Sudan. It's a big embarrassment to everybody that is here in our state. And government of South Sudan should do something about it.
Thank you, brothers, for giving me a chance. My question to, and also I would like to say thank you, Colonel Philip Agar, for coming to Syracuse here. We are so proud for what you are doing back home there. But my question has to be directed. When Sulfur came in 2008, the Lost Boy was asking about the fees, how the fees are going to be dropped down, those who are studying here. Does the government is doing anything about those who are studying here and how they're going to pay off, because there's a lot of people fall in debt with the student loan and nobody is going to pay them. All what you were saying really give us relief about what's going on. I know the building nation is not something easy. It takes time, so the system will catch you up. So does you have to contact the government? And thank you.
South Sudanese, when you think of it, you know, campaign, getting on in Kanyake. Brought the idea or lawyer and Fiona can go there. Who take a man here, you mean that by Kenyan by live. The row at but then SPLA, a charter freeway charter dingy, who are genong insecure in Southern Sudan. A chi Kumaya learn, Chararai. I think the Louis J. move can be civilian came along to get Latin. Yeraloi taken who are gender and SPLA, 8 years by two way, other thing, way, other worry. Wake dear. You will like the SPLA or Biachar, Tyrant, or Biachar, but I think she might walk back at you later when in northern Bargazal, along 14 miles, Chica Bandloom, 14 miles, north in the Lumiere. While you come at an SPLA and educate Gamalum, Martin can ballet walk, illo taken a long when you walk back, we are in long in a yakin. We need a lane, Kapun jacket to walk on the train, and I can bring the content to walk at Chilla.
I will start with mile 14. Gibela na guta na gamlong, kwa gamlong kukerer banylom, belong gam, puloti kanule mile 14. Aba margan kira agreements when the confige cha no marun the agreement was made when I was on the plane. But because Anaguta Gibel there are constant thing, our relation with the North is constant. So now chaganyi ni anora anunira I want to change in Bembelio. Then I can talk about it. Mile 14 has never been part of CPA. So I'm one of the people who reacted before I could come, before it was signed. Now, this is our country. So I cannot hide anything I know in my heart that something went wrong. When I was in Bill Farm, we have